to our Ooxygen channel. So today we have to do another unboxing video clip. So today's product is a cable. I'm gonna explain a little bit like the why I need to buy this cable, because nowadays we are doing a lot of videos for our channel, and also sometimes we want some casting directly from our iPad. And now we're looking for some solution. So here is the one I found. You can see this is a cable, Lightning to HD TV cable. Video and charge, plug and play. Okay, nothing much here, so let's open it. Okay, we'll open it already. So they have the different features here. Okay. Instruction and the cable. I like the color. So we can here we have the three plugs. So the first one, this one we plug into the iPhone or iPad. This one we plug into our power bank or charger. So in case you directly link your iPhone or iPad to the TV or the video card, capture card, you can use this one, the HDMI. And also here we can see the instruction here. Very clear already. Here you can see the power bank or plug. Here is our mobile phone, the iPhone or iPad. Here is the TV monitor or the game card, the lecture card, so instruction. Nothing too much. So I will try to use this product. Hopefully it works. Okay, thank you.